And let's make this yummy chicken fry. Very few ingredients, but very flavorful. In a wok, add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is a little warm, I'm going to add some cashew nuts. I've split them into half, washed them. They're generally very dirty, so it's good to wash them. I washed them. Once they turn a little brown, then I'm going to add onions. To this oil, I'm going to add onions. About 3 to 4 green chilies. And a little bit of curry leaves. This is about 1.5 medium-sized onions. We will almost let it cook until it is semi-translucent, and then we are going to add the ginger garlic paste. Give it always a stir. You see now it's almost semi-translucent. Then I'm going to add a big teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. It's a little more than a teaspoon, so it will be 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. To this I'm going to add some mint leaves. So I have a lot of mint growing in my backyard. So I have washed and dried those leaves, so they last me for a year. I'm going to crush them and add. And I'm also going to add a lot of coriander, freshly chopped coriander. Give it a good mix. The ginger garlic paste, the rawness is gone. It smells really good. So this is the time that you can add the chicken. I'm adding chicken to it now. This is about 5 pounds of chicken, which I've washed and let the water drain completely. Mix the chicken well. I'm not going to cover the chicken. I'm going to let it cook like this for some time. So let it cook for 10 minutes and then we'll come back again. The chicken has been cooking for past 10 minutes now. It's almost semi-pink. You can see half of it becoming white. At this time I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Almost 2 teaspoons. Going to give it a stir. You see it's releasing water. To let the water cook first, completely dry, and then we'll add the rest of the other ingredients. The pink is almost going, still there. We'll come back after 10 minutes. Let it continue cooking. This has been cooking for 10 minutes now. You see there's lots of water. Let the water completely evaporate before I add the other ingredients. I've put a medium high, but I'm going to increase the flame. So if you feel that the chicken has released a lot of water, increase the flame, or otherwise continue cooking at medium heat. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes. Now you see here that there is more water released. And at this point also make sure that the bottom is not sticking. I'm adding here red chili powder, about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons, 1 spoon of coriander powder, and here I have cardamom, cloves, and black pepper, and I have just coarsely powdered it. I'm going to add all of them. Stir it well so that the spices get mixed, and let it cook on the open stove. I'm not going to cover this now. The water will absorb completely and it will taste good. This looks really good, and the water has evaporated. You see the oil, it's releasing the oil. Nice thick gravy. Chicken fry is done. I'm going to add fresh coriander. And the cashew nuts which we have fried earlier, I'm going to add them here. And I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice on it. So it's all ready to eat. Let's taste this. So very tasty, yummy chicken fry.